Amrutrao Januji Karde, a farmer in the rural area of Asegaon Purna, Amravati, Maharashtra, always dreamed of reforming the society. In 1975, he paid Rs 10,000 to Matru Seva Sangh, Nagpur, to set up the first maternity hospital named Amrutrao Januji Karde Maternity Home in Asegaon, Pune, saving lives of many women and infants. Continuing his social work, in September 1989, Ahilya Devi Holkar Kanya Vidyalaya was founded in Asegaon, Pune. The first batch of 22 girl students was enrolled in the school. The school provided free education, food, lodging and boarding to these girls. Being first one from the nomadic tribe to start a girls' school in his area, he faced severe opposition from a few affluent sections of the society. In the ensuing struggle for the survival of the school, unfortunately, his health deteriorated and he suffered a fatal heart attack only 6 months after founding the school. Faced with the untimely demise of their father, both his sons, Meghasham and Dhaneshwar, vowed to take forward the legacy of their father. To fulfill the dream of their father, the family had to sell 27 acres of their own farmland for construction of the school building. With the establishment of school in the area, children of farmers, laborers, and other backward sections of the society were for the first time introduced to modern educational techniques which included scientific and logical reasoning, denouncing social evils, superstitions, exposing children to hygienic practices, nutritional dietary requirements, etc., which ushered a revolution in the society. For last 20 years, school has a strict policy discouraging students to take tuitions outside school, and every parent has to provide an undertaking in this regard, and still the school is able to secure 90 to 95 pass percentage in 10th and 12th state board examinations. School has a zero tolerance policy towards malpractices in examinations and has made a name for itself in following fair examination practices. Student dropout rate being higher in the rural areas, while other schools in the area are struggling to stay afloat, the student population in Ahilya Devi Holkar Vidyalaya has been increasing steadily, and as on date, around 700 students are enrolled in the school, which even includes students traveling 30 to 40 kilometers of distance on daily basis to receive quality education in the school. However, the increased student strength has strained the existing school resources. Besides, in order to keep pace with the modern scientific teaching methods, a pressing need is being felt to move the school to a bigger campus. A 2-acre land has been allotted to the school to build a new fully equipped school building, for which all government administrative permissions are already obtained. The proposed building shall include various scientific laboratories, Atal Tinkering Lab, library, auditorium, virtual classrooms, conference rooms, computer laboratories, school canteen and kitchen, and a playground for various sport activities. The estimated construction cost of this new school is around 14.21 crore Indian rupees, and to realize this amount, the school management requests for generous donation from all the sections of the society. Your generous donations shall help in realizing the dream of an ideal school in the rural area of Maharashtra, which shall provide quality education to the future leaders of the country while also offering equal opportunity to the children of farmers, laborers, and other backward sections of rural India. Your donations shall strengthen the resolve of management of school Ahilya Devi Holkar Vidyalaya, Asegaon Purna, Taluka Chandur Bazar, District Amravati, Maharashtra, to realize the dream of an ideal school and help in nurturing the future generations of India.